Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea is this beautifully designed 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home with a spacious office. You will just fall in love with it at first glance. This house was built in 2012 and is well maintained. It sits on 0.25 acres of land. There is a ground floor bedroom, enclosed garage, back and front patios, spacious open concept floor plan. From its balconies, you can relax and enjoy the views of the ocean. To the back of the property, there is a gazebo and enough land space to build a swimming pool. Ideally located on Valley Close, Spring Valley, in one of St. Mary's most prestigious communities on Jamaica's north coast. This property is within walking distance and is less than 5 minutes drive to several beaches, such as the famous James Bond, Sugar Pot, and Reggae Beach, and a host of other water parks. The Ian Flemings Airport is 5 minutes away, and there is easy commute to entertainment facilities, restaurants, shopping malls, hotels, and many other conveniences in the town of Ochi Rios, which is less than 50 minutes away. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.